The last time I cleaned this window pane was last summer. There is noticeable dust or grime on the window that are showing in the photos. So I'm hoping this will solve the problem. Every time you have to squeegee it down, you have to make sure that the squeegee is dry. Otherwise, it will leave a visible streak. This is not a glass cleaning tutorial. I'm cleaning my window so that I will have clear images when I photograph the birds. Okay, I guess I'll take care of the inside now. Okay, I guess I can clean the entire window. So look, birds are back. I thought they're not gonna come because it's a little gloomy today. What are those? We better start shooting then. I'm gonna put this away. I want to keep it dark in here so that the birds won't see me. There's that little finch hiding in the bushes. I want to photograph them when they're away from the feeder so it looks more natural. There's that one there. Tighten this a little bit. Too loose. Oh, there's the chickadee. The chickadee, very swift little bird. Here at the top, right there. Come on, chickadee. This is the junco. I don't know why they call this bird a junco. I need to do some research. It's getting a little brighter. I don't know if the birds can see me now from the outside. And I finally discovered who's been raiding my bird feeders. So we're past the middle of fall now, and it's starting to get cold. That's probably why the plumage of the golden crown sparrow is starting to fade. Here's a couple of them. There's a robin, but it's down there. Sorry, my bad. I thought it was a robin, but it's not a robin because it's got a white breast. I didn't know what it was, so I googled it and it says it's a spotted towhee. The reflection from the couch is making it blurry because I don't have a polarizer in this one. I'm still waiting for the robin to perch up on the branch or probably go to the bird feeder, but it's just on the ground there, picking on the fallen seeds. But I gotta wrap this up because I got somewhere to go. But this is what it looks like birding from my window. So if you're enjoying this content so far, it's time to click that like button. And the only way to get notified when the next video comes out is to subscribe and click that bell. I will see you in the next video.